This guide walks you through creating a tenancy using Tenancy Builder, provided by the Guild of Residential Landlords. Navigate to docs.landlordsguild.com. Log in using Guild credentials and click Submit. Navigate to the Tenancies section via the sidebar. Click Add New Tenancy. Select England or Wales. Optionally, select a profile if you have created one. This will autofill commonly used data like tenancy type, deposit scheme, landlord signers, logos, etc. Optionally, choose Yes to make the tenancy a draft. Most dates will be removed. Select the appropriate tenancy type from the list. Select the deposit scheme for the tenancy. Choose a landlord or add a new one. Select the letting unit or add a new one. Enter the start date of the tenancy. Select the duration or manually enter the end date of the tenancy. Optionally, include a break clause, not generally recommended. Select the rent type. You can choose from standard, X months in advance, student or a text box. Enter the rent amount. Enter when the first full rent is payable from, usually the same as the start date but can be different if the rent is payable on a different day of the month. Select the payment date. Select the payment frequency, e.g. calendar month. Optionally enter a method of payment, such as direct debit. Enter the deposit amount. Select Yes if somebody else paid the deposit on behalf of the tenant and enter their details. Click Next. Optionally, select the tenant details from the list of online applicants. Otherwise, manually enter the tenant's contact details. Enter the tenant's email. You can instantly copy this email to the tenancy service email address. Enter the tenant's current address. You can click an address from the auto list. Enter the tenant's post-tenancy address, necessary for the deposit prescribed information. Select the Add button to add more tenants. Enter the next tenant's details. Click Next. On the Utilities page, you can select who is liable for utilities. Various options are available for all tenancy types, including HMOs. Click on the next field. Select Yes if there's a guarantor. Optionally, add from the online applicants list. Otherwise, enter the guarantor's contact details. Multiple guarantors can be added associated with multiple tenants. Click Next. Select if an EPC, gas safety record and electrical report will be attached to the tenancy. Upload each PDF or enter the EPC number to include the EPC automatically. Select to include Guild default fire safety instructions or upload your own. Select whether to include permission to speak with Universal Credit. Optionally, add your own documentation to the tenancy. Click Next. Optionally, you can add your own additional terms. Enter any permitted occupiers. Otherwise, leave none. Optionally include our term about the TV aerial not being the landlord's responsibility. Choose the number of landlord signers. Enter the name of the person signing for the landlord. This can be an agent. You may optionally include a logo. Opt to use in the Tenancy Manager, which allows for rent, invoice and inspection tracking. Select Save and Build to generate a downloadable PDF. At first, it will display in progress. Once completed, click the green status to download the tenancy in PDF format, including deposit prescribed information, the How to Rent guide and the other documents you added earlier. View the PDF tenancy. Select Digital Signing from the Actions button to send for digital signing. Check that all names and emails are correctly spelt. Select if you want to receive notifications, like when each party opened and signed the document. Confirm that you have checked the PDF tenancy agreement. Initiate the digital signing process. 100 credits will be used. Subscribers receive 1200 credits for free each year. The signing status will be shown as sent. Each party will receive a signing email one by one, starting with the guarantor, then each tenant, and finally the landlord. Click Digital Signing Events via the Actions button to monitor the signing progress live. Each party's status will be displayed, and all events will be at the bottom. Click on the file name to copy to the clipboard. If you require support, always include this file name. Here's an example of a landlord signing. Submit the signed document. Select Download from the Actions button or click the green Completed status to download the final tenancy. View the signed PDF. A full audit log is included with the signed tenancy. The guide covered creating a tenancy using Tenancy Builder and submitting it using the integrated digital signing feature. Thank you for watching this video guide.